Hello friends, this is Shuprio. Welcome to my channel SK Aquaspace. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel.
In this video, I am going to show you how to plant dwarf hair grass. This plant is very easy to grow and ideal for beginners. It needs moderate light, and however with CO2 it will grow fast, but it can grow without CO2 as well. It comes packed like this in a plantation pot. Due to its short size, it forms a very good foreground plant, and it can form a carpet in the substrate. You can see the leaves are so beautiful. It's very thin, almost like hairs. It keeps the fish tank very healthy. It generates oxygen, as well as it provides shelter to the bottom dwellers. Like I am planning some shrimp to keep some shrimp, and the shrimp will find a very good hiding place in the carpet grass. I have gently pulled out the hair grass from the planting pot, and you can see the roots are coiled and intertwined with each other, and small new roots are also coming out. This intertwined root structure formed over a moist cotton pad. I have placed the bunch of hair grass on the fish tank water, and to actually loosen out the intertwined root structure. You can see the root structure, it's so intertwined with each other. I have divided it into 4 small parts. You can even divide it into even smaller parts of 6 to 7 hair grass. If we divide it into smaller parts, then what will happen is the roots won't compete with each other, and the hair grass will grow faster. It actually propagates through runner, and it will very quickly fill up the whole tank like a carpet. To plant it, actually we have to get hold of the roots, okay, and press it into the substrate about 1 inch. Now when we have pushed the hair grass deep enough into the substrate, from around we can put some substrate over it so that it fills up the gap properly. Like this, I will continue planting the 4 parts that I have divided it into. Actually, I have used garden soil as one of the substrate. In the description box, I will give a link of one of my video how we can prepare the substrate using the garden soil. Like this, I will continue its plantation in the other part of the fish tank as well. Oh, the guppy fish is interested in what I am doing actually. Now with this, the plantation will be completed. Now one important thing, we have to plant the smaller chunks at a distance of 1 inch so that the plants actually grow well. Look, the plantation is looking beautiful already with small hair like structure, green hair grass coming out of the substrate. This dwarf hairgrass actually propagates using runner, and very quickly it will actually fill up the foreground of the fish tank like a carpet like structure.